Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Classes. I am Siri. Today in this video, I am going to explain regarding KSET exam pattern and its syllabus. Okay, so friends, as you all know, that KSET exam which was held on 12th April was postponed due to COVID-19, and now we got much more time to prepare for exam. As you all know, KSET is mainly for post of assistant professor and most of the postgraduates prepare for it. So today we will look into the syllabus and exam pattern of KSET, and after this video I will be uploading videos containing each subject. Okay, subject mainly commerce I am taking. Each video will containing one lesson, and along with that I'll be providing you the notes of it also. Okay, let's start with the exam pattern first. KSET consists two papers. Okay, there are two papers. First is paper 1 and second is paper 2. Paper 1 is general paper, which is same for everyone and every branches. Okay, and second paper is paper 2 commerce. It is of selective paper. For example, commerce students can take commerce, or MA students can take Kannada, English, etc. Even commerce students can take economics also. For that, there are different varieties of subjects which you can choose. So mainly, I'll be taking commerce into consideration in my upcoming videos. Coming to the details of first paper, that is general paper, there will be 50 questions of 2 mark each. Okay, that means every single question will carry 2 marks, and duration provided for the paper will be 1 hour, and total marks for the first paper will be 100 in total. And second paper, selected subjects like commerce, the number of questions will be 100, and each question will be carrying 2 marks. Duration for this exam will be 2 hours, and total marks that second paper will count for will be 200. So total marks for first and second paper will be totally 300. Type of paper will be OMR sheet, like it will be offline. Okay, offline OMR type. This multiple choice questions will be provided for the students. They have to choose one right answer among the 4 options. Okay, no negative marking. No negative marking is there is no minus points for wrong answers. Next, coming to the KSET syllabus, there will be 2 papers as I told. One is general paper and second is commerce, as I am taking that. Okay, general paper consists of teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, information and communication technology, people, development and environment, higher education system. These all will be divided under chapters, and I'll be explaining each chapter in each video in detail, and I'll be providing notes also. Coming to the second paper, that is commerce. First unit, business environment and international business, accounting and auditing, business economics, business finance, business statistics and research methods, business management and HRM, banking and financial institutions, marketing management, legal aspects of business, income tax and corporate tax planning. So these all are the different chapters under commerce section, and I will be taking only commerce and general paper details. Okay, so I'll be explaining all these chapters in my next videos, so kindly watch. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.